Hello guys, in this video I'm showing you how to make a fountain. It's just a small firework. It's very simple to make, and the materials you need is a little piece of paper for making the tube, a hammer, a little pencil is what I'm using, but you could use like any type of like doweling thing, a little fuse, a crackling ball with a little crackle like things in it, a spoon, black powder, tape, and a little bentonite clay. Alright, so first you have to start out by making the tube. Alright, then take a little tape and make sure it's taped pretty tightly. Wrap that in tape. Then you can fold down this little bit right here just to give it a little plug so the clay doesn't come out when you're ramming it in the first time. Alright. Then you're done with your tube. Alright, now you take some of your bentonite clay, scoop a little in, put it on a firm surface, and hit that down. Oh. Alright. Now that we're done with that, you take your little crackling ball, take the contents out, and then dump that into there. Alright. That just gives it a nice little crackle at the end, makes it more interesting. With the fountains, I like them because you can do a lot with them. Like, you can just add different colors with like different star colors, and you can add like different like sounds and stuff like that, just pretty much whatever you want. But for this I'm just gonna make it pretty simple. And alright, now I'm just funneling in some black powder. So you just gotta put in a little bit, then take this and hammer it down. Put more in. Keep putting more in. This part gets pretty long, so I think I'm just gonna edit this out. Alright guys, I've repeated that step until it's about a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch from the top, and then you can put just a little bit more black powder just to make sure it ignites really easily. Don't press that down. Put your fuse in. This is a pretty long fuse for this. You really don't need that long of a fuse. Yeah, it's pretty long. I'll probably cut that down. Oh, there's B. Alright, then you just put a little tissue right there, just to keep the fuse stuck in there. And you are done with that. Now all you need to do is You have to glue the bottom to like a piece of cardboard like that, and to make it stand up, to give it a little stability. It doesn't need to be like a super big piece. It can just be like a piece about this big will do fine, just to give it a little stability so it doesn't fall over. And I will show you a test of that now. Turn it off.